Welcome back to the Crypto 618 channel, and in this video we're going to look at how to make $100 per day with elephant money. But before we get started, if you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and let's get started. So first of all, if you go to elephant.money and then we click on go for trunk Stampede and just scroll down here, you're looking for a link, you'll see this Stampede calculator. You can actually click that and download the calculator. Let's just have a look at the calculator now. So this is the official calculator, and it's a spreadsheet. You'll need Excel or Google to open it up. And all you need to do is, this is how it works. So in the blue cells is where you just need to fill it out. So you've got this section here, and also you can put in the original deposit and how much you've claimed. There's about 3 sections that you mainly fill out. So how much do you need to make $100 a day? Just if you have a lump sum and you want to put it into Stampede. So if you're not sure what Stampede is, that's this section here. So Stampede perpetual bonds. You got three different sections. You got elephant money itself, the token. Then you have trunk. This is the staking, the native staking. We earn a variable APR, minimum 30%. Currently it's 65%. And then you have Stampede perpetual bonds. So this section is all about Stampede calculator and what you're sort of getting. Because it's pretty simple with this. You're getting 205% APR, which is over the course of a year. You're getting paid 0.56% daily. So if you want to, and that's if you don't do any compounding whatsoever. But if you do compound, you'll need like a calculator, and this is what the official calculator is. So if we put in $20,000 here for the amount of starting trunk, let's have a look. So the very first day, we have a look at this, you'll receive $112 in trunk. And your total bonds will be now $20,112. So that represents this part here. So if you put in 20,000, this would read 20,000, and then after 1 day it'll be $20,112. Now at that point you can choose to roll or claim. So if you claim, you're just claiming it, and the trunk will go back into your wallet, and then you can use that trunk, or you can redeem that trunk and turn it back into BUSD. Or you can click on the roll button, and that will roll your rewards back into your bonds. So this $112, if you want to compound, and that is roll, you would roll it back into your bonds, and this is what this calculator represents. So essentially, if you put 20 grand in worth of trunk, you'll be earning from day one, you're going to be earning $112 a day. So if this continues on, you can actually see if you did this compounding for 360 days, your capital would be, and the capital meaning your bonds, would be at 149,000. So if we go around about 360 days, scroll all the way down here. Okay, so we have a look at 360 days, see how we've compounded every day, and that 0.56 we compounded. We now have a total bonds of 149,000. And at this stage, we have had dividends paid out. In fact, we've had $129,323. Because remember, we only started off with 20,000. Now we have 149, so that 129,000 has been paid out. And all we need to do is type in over here where it says claimed. We've typed in 129,323, like so. And what this will do, you put in the original deposit in this section. And what this will do is over here on the right hand side, it will actually tell you what the maturity is. So at the moment, this is with the total bonds. After 12 months of compounding, it'll say 149, and you'll see that here. Your bonds will be like 149,000, and the maturity, which is what you're eventually going to get paid out, if we have a look over here, the maturity will be at 205 APR. So from 12 months from that stage, it'll be $306,111.14. That'll be the actual payout. and what the difference between, at this stage, if you went 12 months and you compound for 12 months, you'd have 149,000. And then if you decided to claim every day until you reach your maturity, you'll take the difference between your total bonds and the maturity. And that net value is $176,000. So if you just did that for 1 year, you would earn yourself a nice $176,000 for the year. And that's if you claimed for the whole 12 months. But at the end of that 12 months, you would meet your maturity, which means you would not be able to get any more than what's in the maturity. And the payout, when the payout equals maturity, there's no more to be paid out. You either have to roll or put in fresh new bonds. It's as simple as that. So that's how easy it is. Just a short video today, but essentially you can play around with this calculator. All you got to remember is you put in your starting amount in trunk, and then you come over to the claimed, and where you get the claimed from is you just look at how much total dividends for the time period. So in this example, it was 366, for example, days. We then take that and we put it in there as claimed. And then once we type that in the original deposit, this will tell you how much maturity you have left in net. So meaning that if you then want to actually do claims for the next 12 months, you will receive the difference, which will be $176,000. So eventually this is a net profit, and this is all from 20,000 in trunk over 365 days, and then after that you start claiming. So that's just an example of how to do it on there. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you do enjoy these videos, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. That'd be great. And if you want to check out the website, you can just go to crypto618.1, and you can check out all the videos I have listed. The same videos are on YouTube, plus I do additional videos. And all you can do is click on subscribe, and you can just subscribe for free if you like, or if you want to join the newsletter, you can subscribe for a small fee, and that'll give you access to some of my personal portfolio updates. So till the next video, talk to you guys later. Bye.